This is the practice test for measurements. Here we're working on problem number 11, and the problem says, put these measurements in order from the smallest to largest, and we're giving three measurements of volume: 900 milliliters, 9.4 kiloliters, and 0.848 liters. And as they are given to us here, we're not sure which ones are larger or smaller, and so we want to convert all three of them to liters, and that's what I'm stating here. We need to convert all of them to the same unit of measure, to liters, and then we'll be able to compare them. So to do that, we're going to use this little chart whenever we're converting between two metric units. This is the chart we want to use. This is given to you on your handout in the lower left-hand corner, and I've pasted it over here. The way we want to look at this chart is the basic units are in the middle, liters are right in the middle, the basic unit, and then we go from what we are given in the problem to what we want to convert to. And the number of places that we move is the number of places we need to move the decimal point to do the conversion. So with the first one here, we have 900 milliliters, and we see that milli is over here, and we want to convert the milliliters to liters, which is in the center of the table. So we are going to convert from milli to liters, we're going to move 1, 2, 3 places to the left, which means I need to move my decimal point 3 places to the left. So here's my decimal point. I move it 3 places to the left, 1, 2, 3, and it ends up in front of the 9. 900 milliliters is equal to 0.9 liters. The second unit that I need to convert is the 9.4 kiloliters. And I look at my table and I see kilo over here on the far left. Liters is in the middle. So to convert from kiloliters to liters, I'm going to move 1, 2, 3 places to the right. And so I'm going to take my decimal point and move it 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. I need to add 2 zeros after the 4 to do that conversion. So 9.4 kiloliters is 9,400 liters. Now the third measurement is given to me in liters, so I don't need to do any conversion with that. So I have 0.848 liters, I have 0.9 liters, and I have 9,400 liters. And now I can see which one is smaller and larger. The 0.848 liters is smallest, followed by the 0.9 liters, followed by the largest, which is 9,400 liters. And so this is your answer from smallest to largest.